All right, today I'm going to show you how to add laundry detergent to your washing machine. Laundry detergent is essential for getting your dirty laundry clean. I have a bunch of dirty laundry right here. I'm going to be adding to the washing machine, showing you how I'm going to get it clean using detergent. Now, the detergent that I'm using is called Gain detergent right here. A lot of people use Tide. If you are tired of using Tide, you can use Gain, or if you're tired of using Gain, you can go back and be Tide or using Tide. All right, so you guys don't know funny, so you probably didn't find that funny. If you didn't find it funny, you just don't know funny. Well, anyway, so I'm going to add detergent to it. Now, the general rule is when you're adding detergent to a top loader, you add the detergent first, okay? You add the detergent first to a top loader, okay? So you have different options, okay? I have powder detergent. You can use the pod detergent. I even seen sheet detergents. The sheet detergents you just throw in there. And then there is also liquid detergents, okay? If you have one of those pod detergents, you add the pod directly, one of the pods directly to the drum, okay? Just add it to the drum, and then you add your clothing, then make the selection. If you have liquid, you add it to the compartment up here, which I'll show you momentarily. And I have powder right here. Powder you can add to the drum right here in the front loading first, okay? If you don't really know what you're doing, add it to the drum first, then add the clothes. Top loading, you add the detergent first and then put the clothes in. Top loading, if you have a pod, you add the pod first, then put the clothes in. Liquid, however, kind of tricky. Sometimes I've had issues where I put the liquid in first inside of the drum and the clothes actually absorb and it stains the clothes. So I typically use liquid inside of the drawer, which I'm going to show you, or I add liquid after I've diluted it some in the washing machine, top loading washing machine with water. Front loading washing machine, I never added directly liquid to the drum. I always added the compartment, which I'll get to shortly. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the clothing to the washing machine first. All right, so I'm going to add the clothing, put that inside of the washing machine like this, and then I'm going to shut it. All right, now if you had a pod, you add the pod directly to the washing machine, but I don't. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, I have the clothes in there, and then I'm going to come up and find the detergent drawer. See, this is the detergent drawer right here. And so what I'm going to do is look down here, and if you look on here, there should be some symbols that show where to add the detergent at. So this right here is a pre-wash, and this is the main wash right here. So I'm going to add it to this. This is fabric softener. That's a symbol for fabric softener. Most washers have actual letters that say fabric softener, or words that say fabric softener. This has symbols. So I'm going to add the detergent to the main drawer right here. Now this is kind of unique right here because for liquid, it has this thing right here to keep it from flowing down, to protect the clothes. And want you to have water flowing on the clothes first before the liquid goes in. But since I am using powder, I put it right here. Now remember, if you have one of those pods, add it directly to the drum. So I have this open ready for powder. And so I'm going to go down here. Now typically, if you look at the measuring cup that comes inside of your powder detergent, it will show you what level you should put it at. Like small loads, 1, 2 for medium loads, 3 for large loads, I believe. I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty close. Just read the side of your detergent. It should show you somewhere on there. It shows, yes, right here. It says right here, loads, medium, half cup. So medium loads, you do it at 1. For large loads, you go up to 3 or a third cup. And for high efficiency, full loads, go up to 5, okay? So I'm gonna do this at large loads, so I'm gonna put it up to 3. And, all right, so I'm gonna do that. So, now look at this cup. It says up to 3 for this loads right here. I'm gonna get down in here. So remember to read the side panel so you know exactly what to do on the box. So I'm gonna go up to 3. It's roughly 3 right here. And then I'm gonna go up to the compartment and I'm going to add it directly to that. See that? So once I have that, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna close it And then once I've closed it, I'm going to make my selection for the type of wash that I want. I'm going to do a cotton. I'm going to do a warm temperature right here, high spin, extra rinse. Go ahead and get that going right there. And then maybe a pre-treat as well. All right. Nice little pre-treat, or maybe not. Yeah, do the pre-treat. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start this right here. And that is how you add laundry detergent to your washing machine. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.